welcome back to my channel. So in this short video, I'm going to show you how to upload the files from your local computer to GitHub repository. Let's open our GitHub repository first. And the reason why you might wish to upload the files to your GitHub is maybe you want to share the code with your friends or colleagues, or maybe you want to connect it to the hosting server later on and then have your website up and running on the internet. So there are many reasons why people might wish to upload the files to the GitHub repository. And the way to do it, there are many actually ways to accomplish the task. You can actually upload the files right from here, from the GitHub interface page. But I've heard that there are many problems later on coming if you do so. Some scripts and folders don't show up properly later on the website. So I'm going to show you the easiest and the most reliable way of doing it. So first of all, you come to the github.com, create an account, just follow the basic steps, and then go to the repositories page, click on new repository. And then let's give it a name. I'm going to call it DApp, Decentralized Application. You call it whatever you want. Then the next step, we are facing two options. We need to select it to be either public or private. If you go for public, then everyone, whoever has your link, might be able to download your files to fork your repository and use it by his own needs. Okay, so you can do it if you wish so, but in my case, I have my private website and I don't want anyone to get access to the code, so I'm going to click on the private option here and then click create repository. Wait a second, it's quite fast, and you see that it's ready now. So we're gonna leave the page open, don't close it, we're gonna use it later on. Just minimize it, and then let's open our local IDE. I'm working on Mac. If you are on Windows, just search for your terminal, turn it on, and let's find the folder where all the code and my files are kept. In my case, I'm gonna go to Documents and then type in dep-env and then dep. Okay, so here in this folder, I have all the code. I want to open my JS code editor, so I'm gonna type in code space dot enter. It will open the JS code. All right, so now you see our code. We have all the folders, everything ready to be uploaded to GitHub. And now I'm going to show you how to do it exactly step by step. So first of all, make sure you are in the base folder, and we need to initiate Git init. I think I have done it already, but I'm going to show you how to do it in here again. So you type in Git init in the base folder, press enter. All right, so in your case, it will say, oh, successfully initialized the Git repository in the folder. In my case, it's reinitialized, but anyway. And then let's check the status, see if there are any changes made in the folder. So we type in git status and then press enter. We see that everything is ready in my case. Okay, let's intentionally make changes so you see it. Let's, for example, go to our public folder and then let's change the name of the website. I mean the title. Let's call it React, or let's call it React test. Okay, test, and then save it. Now we come back here and then we type in again git status, press enter. All right, you see there is one file modified, exactly what I've done here. Public index HTML is modified, it's in red. So if you want to apply those changes, this change in our case, one change, or however how many changes you might have, you just type in git add space dot enter. Okay, it has applied all the changes. Let's verify it again. Go to git status, press enter, and you see now it's modified already and it's in green. It means it's up and running and ready to be uploaded to GitHub. And then we need to follow these 4 basic steps. So follow me in here and we'll quickly finish it. Type in git commit -m and then type in your commit message. In my case, let's call it my second commit. You can call it whatever you wish. Second commit, and then press enter. It says that one file changed and has been committed, so it's perfect. Next, we need to type git branch -m, capital M, master. It's our branch name. You can check it for your case, but by default it's called master. Press enter. Now we are in there. Then we need to add, but I have already added, so you just type this command git remote add origin, and then it go open up. You remember I asked you to leave it open, the page of our initiated GitHub repository. We need to copy this link from there. Just copy it, go back to your command line, and then paste it in there. So git remote add, and then your link. Press enter. In my case, it says remote already exists. So in your case, it will give you a success message in here. And then we need to push the code from the folder to GitHub. And to do it, we just type in git push and then -u origin master and press enter. Wait a second, it's quite fast, and that's it. It took how many seconds? Not even 2 seconds, I guess. And then if we go back and if we refresh the page, we'll see that now all the files have been uploaded to our GitHub repository. And that's it, guys. You see, so fast, so quick. And the most important thing is that these files have been uploaded correctly. And later on, if you connect this repository to your hosting server, and then you make some changes in the code, it will upload them to GitHub and then sync with the hosting server automatically and apply those changes to your website on the server. So you won't need to do any further steps. Let's say if now we come here to our JS code and so our Visual Studio Code and want to make some more changes. Let's say we type in, say, React test 2, and then we press save. We see right in here that we have this one number shown up here. If we have many changes, we show the number of changes. We need to type in the commit message from here. Let's say third. In my case, it's third, but you can call it whatever you want. We can just call la la la, all right? And then we press on this check button and then seek changes. All right, so the first time you will do it from this terminal, but later on you can just modify your code and then apply those changes from your code editor, whatever you use there, and then just sync the changes to the GitHub from this interface. No need to use the terminal again. And if we go back to our terminal and see if the changes have been applied, we come here and then we see la 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 because the change was in the public folder. So the public folder 29 seconds ago has been synced from with the changes that we have made in our code editor. So that's all for this time, guys. And in the next video, I will try to show you how to connect your GitHub repository to the hosting server and let your website be up and running on the hosting. And so as you get the website domain name, and everybody who has it can access it from wherever they have the internet access in the world. So thanks for watching, and follow our Poor Consults videos. You will learn a lot of knowledge there. See you next time.